This is a problem. We know this is a problem, right? I have a Sephora order and I really can't remember ordering and I don't know what's in here. Ooh, when did I order all these? Fenty Hair Duo comes with the reparative leave-in and the 5-in-1 heat protecting styler. So I have tried the leave-in for Fenty Beauty before, but oh, these are sample sizes. Oh, this is the full size. I actually only have the sample size right now, so I got a great deal. Wait, is this a full size or is this a sample? This might be the full size too. Couldn't tell you. Anyway, great deal to get both of them for the price of like one of them. Tower 28 Poppy Holiday Duo in Fizz and Frost. Comes with some really cute stickers and I'm a sticker girly, so these are adorable. Here's the set. I'm trying to help me understand what I got and I can't even get it out. Got it. So it's a powder blush. Super cute color. I think this is like their cranberry era. I'm going to just make myself look a little clownish because this is unblended, but we're just gonna figure her out. Okay, that is super pigmented. It's not blended at all, but look at that color. It is so pretty. And I'm gonna spend the rest of the video with half my face done. Let's give this lip gloss a try. It's a lip jelly. Okay. Smells good. What does it smell like? It's reminding me of like lychee and jackfruit at the same time. It is super pretty. Look at those lips. Oh yeah. I forgot I got this. So it is the Deep Dive Hydration Set from Sunday Riley. Okay, y'all. So Sunday Riley is a very good brand and they are expensive. However, when I say that the Good Genes lactic acid treatment is probably the best thing you can do for your skin when you're first starting out trying to fix your skin. I have very smooth skin for how hyperpigmented it is. I have tons of dark spots, right? So forget that. But I have baby smooth skin. And the first thing I used to help with that was the Sunday Riley Good Genes. And the Tidal Deep Hydration Plumping Serum I've never used. So this was a great deal for this set together. It says that it was $97, but come on. I always get things for a deal, so I didn't pay $97 for this. I definitely bought this during one of Sephora's sale events, so it was definitely less than this. Anastasia Volumizing Tinted Brow Gel. Did I buy this? I think I was trying to do the whole just tint it with this and don't use the pencil thing. So I'll do another video where I try this out on my bare eyebrows and see how it looks. Skylar Citrus Reverie. I've never smelled this before. I actually really like fruity scents, but I mix them with gourmand scents. So I'm always smelling like a vanilla-y fruit. So this has mandarin, pink pineapple, and orange flower. So let's see if I smell any of those scents for the first time. Oh, she's pretty. I'm not sure if I get any of these scents by themselves. I'm excited to layer it with my other scents and see how it fits into them. And that's what I shopped for in the last Sephora ad. Let me know if you've tried any of these before or if there's any you've been excited to try. Thus, you want me to do another video where I show me using any of them. Let me know in the comments. See you later.